Good morning, children. Welcome back to our geography class. In the industries chapter, children, part 4, we have discussed about the Jamshedpur and Pittsburgh iron and steel industries and what are the factors for their location in those areas and what made them as steel cities of USA and steel city of India also. And in today's class, you'll be able to learn about the cotton textile industry. What's that, children? Cotton textile industry. So before I start this chapter as a topic, I just want to tell you a small word origin. The term textile is derived from Latin word called texere. What's that? Texere. Texere is a Latin word. From this texere, textile word has come. This texere means what's the meaning, children? Weave. What's that? Weave. Okay, fine. Cotton textile industry. Children, cotton textile industry, there in that industry only cotton is manufactured. It means cotton cloth is manufactured. Actually, weaving cloth from yarn is an ancient art. It's not a new one. It's an ancient art. So cotton, wool, silk, jute, flax, these are the things, these are the substances or the materials which we use for making a cloth. So the textile industry can be divided on the basis of raw materials used in them. Some industries they use silk, some industries they use jute, some industries they use cotton and some they use wool. But ultimately they make what? Cloth out of those materials. Right? So but you may get silk cloth or jute cloth or cotton cloth, etc. Okay, so the fibers are the raw materials of textile industry. What fiber? Jute fiber, silk fiber or wool or cotton, etc. So again children, these fibers can be natural or man-made. For example, cotton, wool, silk, jute, these are all what you know, natural raw materials. But man-made materials also there, children. There are some fibers which are made by the man. Those are what you know, nylon, polyester, acrylic and rayon. Here you can see those pictures, right? So the cotton textile is one of the oldest industry, children, as you all know very well. In the whole world it is the oldest industry. Till the industrial revolution in 18th century, cotton cloth was made using hand spinning wheels, children. On the wheels they used to spin the threads and on the looms they used to weave the cloth. In 18th century, power looms facilitated the development of cotton textile industry. These power looms they could able to what produce more amount of cloth than before. Okay, so first this power looms has been developed in Britain, later to the other parts of the world, children. Today in India, China, Japan and USA, we are having this most powerful, sophisticated, well developed power looms in India, children. Okay na? So these are the India, China, Japan and USA are the important producers of cotton textiles. Next, India has glorious tradition of producing excellent quality cotton textiles, children. India is named for that. So for example, before the British rule, India hand spun khadi. Khadi, you know? Yeah. So Indian hand spun khadi and hand woven cloth are already had a wide market. Everybody they used to die for the Indian cloths. So for example, the Muslims of Dhaka. Muslin is a cloth, children. It used to made in Dhaka. And chins of Masulipatanam. Masulipatanam, no, chins is one kind of art of cloth. Then calicos of Calicut and gold wrought cotton, children. For the cotton, no, gold they used to, by using the gold, they used to weave the cotton. That's called gold wrought cotton. So this gold wrought cotton of Burhanpur, Surat and Vadodara were known worldwide for their quality and design. Okay, so but the production of hand woven cotton cloths were expensive and consuming and time consuming. It takes a lot of time for the making of one cotton cloth. That's why they are very much expensive. Hence, traditional cotton textile industry could not face the competition from the new textile mills of West. It means what? By the time already in the USA and the Britain, children, they have the industrial revolution. So we could not compete with their quality and we could not compete with their production. So they produce cheap and good quality fibers only through mechanized industrial units. But we are producing with the help of looms, okay? Only hand looms. Here you can see different kinds of cloths, children, which are made in India. Those are muslins of Dhaka, chins of Masulipattnam, calicos of Calicut, and gold wrought cotton of Barhanpur, Surat, and Vadodara. Fine? Yeah. Now, the first successful mechanized textile mill was established in Mumbai 1854. In which year, children? In 1854, the first mechanized textile mill was set up. So, because why they have established here itself, here only? Because of the warm climate, warm, moist climate of that area, and also a port for importing. So, in the Mumbai, there is a port, no? So, that port is very much helpful for importing machinery and also availability of raw materials. So, there raw materials also available in cheaper cost, and not only that, children, it also having skilled labor. So the skilled labor, because no, for weaving the cloth they need skilled labor. So all these factors resulted in rapid expansion of industry in that region. Which region? Mumbai. So initially this industry flourished in the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat because of favorable humid climate. The very beginning first Maharashtra and Gujarat, then afterwards it spread to remaining parts of the country also. You know why? Humidity can be created artificially. So to weave a cloth you need humidity. Understand, children? Moist climate it needs. So afterwards we started creating what? Artificial humidity, children. That's why it spread to remaining parts of the country also. So and the raw cotton is pure and not weighing losing material. Raw cotton, that's also can be supplied to all parts of the country so that they can create any kind of cloth in any kind of area. So this industry has spread to many other parts of India, children. For example, Coimbatore, Kanpur, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Ludhiana, Puducherry, and Panipat. These are the important centers of textile industry in India, children. Okay. So at last we'll just end of this today's class with do you know, right? The first textile mill in the country was established in the Gloucester near Kolkata. First Gloucester near Kolkata in 1818. But what happened, you know, children? It is closed down for some time. That's why this Gloucester is not countable. We are saying that Mumbai 1854 only countable. It is mechanized textile industry. Got it? But this Gloucester is a textile mill, that's all. Got the point? Yes. So thank you for today, children. And here you can see the worldwide manufacturing regions, cotton textile manufacturing regions. So study this picture. So that's all for today. Thank you.